Hello, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel Techans. So today I am going to show you how to change your Fortnite game language from English to anyone or back to English. So nowadays this Fortnite is most popular in all over the world, and this game is available in three versions, and the first version is Fortnite Save the World, and the another one is Fortnite Battle Royale, and the final one is Fortnite Creative. But if you are play any version, it is not matter because the settings are common for all Fortnite versions. So let's go to our tutorial. So first of all, open your any Fortnite version in your PC. Now in this home page section, you can press that horizontal three lines icon, and this icon is placed at the almost top of right side corner, and then it shows some icons, but you can press gear icon, and this icon will help you to access your Fortnite settings. So now my all the settings are ready to use, and the first one is about my display related settings. But friends, you can note one thing, in top it shows some settings icon, so here you can press second one and the same gear icon. So finally I get to the language settings. So if you like to change your language, just press that right side arrow mark, and it shows lots of languages in one by one. So once you select your original language, finally you can click to save all the changes. So finally my language is changed to new one. So this is the way you can easily customize your Fortnite language settings by watching my tutorial. For more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Techans, and thanks for watching.